Yes, you will be placed on. Yes, reckless driving. Driving on the sidewalk, trying to do it under emergency. What are you talking about?
Hear me. Come hear me, little man. I will make you loud. Give me your license. Give me your license. No time, got the license.
No, that's my shit, so.
Let's go. That's fine.
I have it.
You have your ID?
Yeah.
You guys come down here, you guys can do whatever you want.
You big bikers, man. Big biker. Give me your license. I said. Give me your license. I'm not a dude.
Yes, you will be placed on. Yes, reckless driving. Driving on the sidewalk, trying to do it under emergency. What are you talking about? What?
Driving recklessly. We don't know what your actions are. You're driving on the sidewalk with civilians and you have no tag.
Okay.
I think I'm pretty good on that one.
Okay.
Maybe not. We'll see.
I don't know what you guys think and I'm glad that you have it on